Y'all, hi y'all, it's me. It's Ajace and I'm Ajace. And I'm Ajace. And we about to be cooking again. So, yeah, I got some dreads. So we gonna get into it. So we're gonna get the grill ready. So the grill is back here. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all what we got. So we got a thing that can grab stuff.
Oh, we have a brother. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to cook. And
no, me.
My brother. Okay, let's cook.
Got that. So what we gonna cook today?
Actually, we should cook some breakfast.
I really like corn.
We gonna cook y'all some breakfast. So let's move this right here so y'all can see.
I'm gonna get ready.
Get it started.
Okay.
Get it ready.
You can. Nah.
I'm gonna show you in the camera again. That's what you get. Okay.
Come on, bro. Okay.
Stop.
What is going on? I'm fine.
Okay. We gonna do tomorrow. We gonna do not cooking. Well, we gonna do shopping next, and some bacon. Okay. Okay, need eggs.
Stop.
Oh. Another bacon.
And then
Another one. Eggs. Packing the milk. Okay. Is there anything else?
yeah, that purple plate.
Right here. Oh, okay.
Is this for breakfast?
Okay. We got a lighter.
Let me look.
Okay, here's got a lighter.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Light it up. Okay. I'm gonna turn on some tea.
But y'all can't see it. But y'all can see the food.
Y'all can't see it? Okay.
Y'all can see the food though.
Give me this.
You got me. If it's on your mouth, we're not giving y'all no more food running up.
What?
If it's on their mouth, we're gonna cook some more food for them.
If they get what?
If it's on their mouth. F. Yeah, on their mouth. If we gonna cook them some food.
If they get F on their mouth?
If we gonna cook them some food.
No, but if y'all go to a different restaurant, then don't never come back here and don't go on our channel no more, okay?
Not
one, not three, not four. And we got a big plate right here.
And
okay, give me to 2,000. No.
Yeah, this right here, and we got a whole plate.
Okay, can y'all see it now?
can see that waffle, bacon, eggs.
In next video, we're gonna start doing shopping. So stay tuned for that.
Alright, now we gotta flip it.
Okay, so whenever we go, alright, so after this video, we ain't gonna be posting for 2 days, okay? It's gonna be, well, it's not gonna be that long, but we ain't gonna post for 2 days because, we gotta do a lot of stuff. We going to the beach and everything.
Yeah, on
My birthday is coming up on the 24th. So, hashtag happy birthday, okay? Yeah, you gotta flip. Wait, let me get this. Alright, where's spatula? Let me spatula. Alright, flip that.
Oh, I can do that too.
Hold up. Wait. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Stick that there.
Stick this.
Stick this one right there. We have to get some more.
I already got 2 bacon.
Okay, 2 bacons.
I got a waffle.
And our egg. So, really, we're gonna have to use this. I really can't find it for real, so.
Y'all, and I forgot one thing we had to show y'all. If y'all want to go to the movie theater, we have tickets right here. We have tickets. 2 tickets. If y'all want a picture,
Guys, I'm gonna be right back. I just need to come get some here. Turn on a channel for them. Okay?
y'all, we're gonna have to get, I got another bacon, another waffle.
Okay. Like, I'm back, guys. This is what we need for the egg.
You wanna play some song, Nana?
Yeah, let's get that.
Y'all gonna hear this. It's gonna be good too. This song. I'm like, put Bro. Oh, it's about to burn. But it's not burning. It's not burning. It's not. Okay. It's done in it. Whoop. Right. Whoop. Right. Whoop. Right. Opens for life, opens for life, opens for life. I forgot, y'all.
We make Jack honey. You make it count.
I got out for him. Never heard that.
Hey, you want to put that?
You gonna light it up?
Y'all, we're gonna turn it up.
She won't put that pussy on me.
Bro, move.
Make sure that they don't we gon' fuck from night to away in the night. They said if it's right, niggas claim they gon' die. Oh, you got me fucked up. We gon' split your head again. Did my first show with beats without.
Alright. We gonna change the song.
Yar! Man, I got a story to tell. This is a good one. I was just minding my business, jellyfishing. There was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like the bully type. Walked right up to me and told me, you look like a cookie bite. I said, you could be right, but me, I'm not the looky type. So I walked away and then he hit me with a cooking knife.
I said,
Did I tell you you could want a waste sponge? I responded no, and then he hit me with an 8-punch. All up in my face, and then I was my patient. So I stood around and without you, on my ray guns. He said, oh no, and then he tried to run away. But I said, oh no, homie, you messed up my day. I got him to him and I punch him in the face. He said, and he hit me with some paste. It left a taste, but I absorbed it without a trace. Then I looked at him and said, I'm about to fix you in your place. So you better say your grace. And I chopped him in the waist. These arms may be weak, but they gon' leave you in a brace. Don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. Mess around and catch a sting.
While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing.
While I'm jellyfishing. Next thing, got my net, got my jams, got my basket. Jellyfishing on them with my best friend Patrick. Yankees on my fabric, I make them disappear, but this is not a hat trick. This is not magic. This is psychiatric. Move so elastic, fantastic, gymnastic. Cleaning up plastic. The way I swim this net, man, I almost got drafted. I am in my zone, and this zone has been drafted. Don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing.
While I'm jellyfishing.
While I'm jellyfishing, mess around and catch a sting.
While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing.
Don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing.
While I'm jellyfishing.
While I'm jellyfishing, mess around and catch a sting. While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. It's over with. I tried to tell people that jellyfishing is my sin. It's my garden. Why don't they understand that?
Okay, I'm gonna lift it up.
Follow me. Your boy Sponge. Mixtape dropping soon. The YouTube about to go crazy.
While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing.
Yeah, I'm sorry.